If you've been thinking about upgrading your cleaning setup, now is easily the best time to do it. Robot vacuums have gotten insanely smart. They wash their own mops, empty themselves, dodge obstacles better than ever, and some even take care of your pets when you're not home. So in today's video, I'm breaking down the best robot vacuums you should buy. Let's get into it. Kicking off the list is the roborock Qrevo CurvX, one of the most advanced robot vacuums of 2025. It delivers a massive 22,000 Pascal hyperforce suction, pulling dirt from carpets, floor gaps, and deep debris that most vacuums miss. With its zero kangling design, it even handles long hair up to 40 centimeters without wrapping, making it perfect for pet owners. At just 7.98 centimeters, it's the slimmest roborock ever, letting it slide under sofas and cabinets with ease. You also get 80 degrees Celsius hot water mop washing, which removes greasy stains and keeps mop pads fully sanitized. Its reactive AI obstacle avoidance recognizes over 108 object types, navigating confidently even in dark rooms. The standout feature is the Adapt-A-Lift chassis, allowing the robot to lift its entire body or individual sides by up to 4 centimeters. This helps it climb thresholds and glide around furniture more smoothly than traditional mopping robots. With Retract Sense LiDAR, it maps efficiently while lowering itself to fit under low furniture. The multifunctional Dock 3.0 Thermo Plus handles mop washing, drying, refilling, and dust emptying automatically. It also detects carpets, boosts suction, and lifts mop pads automatically. Its only limitation is 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi support, but overall, it's one of the most futuristic robots you can buy in 2025. Next up is the DREAME Matrix 1 Ultra, a robot vacuum that genuinely feels ahead of its time. DREAME's standout feature this year is its multi-mop switching system, which automatically selects the right mop for each zone. This prevents cross-contamination between bathrooms, kitchens, and living areas, solving one of the biggest complaints users have had for years. Its obstacle-clearing ability is another major highlight. With dual retractable legs, a swing-arm motor, and adaptive wheel control, it can climb 3.15-inch steps, tackle balcony rails, and handle uneven floors with ease, ideal for older homes and raised thresholds. This robot also features advanced Omni obstacle avoidance, using 3D sensors, LED lighting, and real-time adjustments to avoid over 240 object types. Reviewers consistently note its accuracy around cables, socks, toys, and pet items. With a staggering 30,000 Pascal suction, this robot leads the category. Paired with its Hyperstream detangling duo brush, it picks up long hair and pet fur effortlessly. The fully automated power dock handles mop switching, drying, refilling, and 212 degrees Fahrenheit pad sterilization. It also detects carpets, boosts suction, and lifts mop pads automatically. Its only limitation is 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi support, but overall, it's one of the most futuristic robots you can buy in 2025. If you want raw cleaning performance with smart automation, the MOVA Z60 Ultra is a beast. With 28,000 Pascal suction and dual anti-tangle duo brush rollers, it delivers powerful cleaning while minimizing hair wrap, ideal for pet owners or long hair households. One standout feature is its Auto Shield carpet protection. This goes beyond simple mop lifting. When the robot detects carpet, it lifts the mop and deploys a physical shield to prevent moisture from touching the fibers. This is unique and extremely effective for homes with multiple rugs. The HydroForce mop washing system is another highlight. Using a 12-nozzle real-time rinsing design, the mop stays fresh and clean throughout the entire session, preventing dirty streaks on glossy floors. The extended mop roller and edge brush allow maxi-reach edge-to-edge cleaning, achieving far better wall and corner cleaning than traditional circular mop pads. Navigation is smooth thanks to FlexScope, and Stepmaster 2.0 allows it to climb 8-centimeter obstacles, making this one of the best robots for uneven flooring or elevated areas. At just 96 millimeters in height, it handles low furniture with ease. The all-in-one station is fully automated with hot water washing, hot air drying, auto emptying, and dual solution refilling for a hands-free experience. If you want a strong balance of performance, automation, and price, the eufy Omni E25 gives excellent value. Its hydrojet roller mop system cleans itself 6 times per second, which keeps the mop fresh and effective, even during large sessions. Eufy's 20,000 Pascal suction is strong enough for carpets and heavy debris, and the duo spiral anti-tangle brushes make it extremely pet-friendly. Reviewers consistently praise how well this robot handles shedding, especially compared to older eufy models. The corner rover arm is a unique feature that extends outward to clean edges and corners more effectively than standard circular robots. This gives it an edge in apartments or homes with tight spaces. The all-in-one station handles self-emptying, self-washing, refilling, and drying, making it almost completely hands-free. Just keep in mind it only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and runs on 110 volts, so double-check compatibility based on your region. Last but definitely not least is the NARWAL Flow, one of the most advanced real-time mopping systems on the market. The Flow Wash system uses dual tanks, a built-in scraper, and 113 degrees Fahrenheit hot water to wash the rotating track mop in real time. This means the mop stays clean instead of dragging dirty water around your home. The twin-eye camera system detects and avoids more than 200 object types with impressive precision. It navigates tight spaces incredibly well, especially around cables, furniture legs, and uneven corners. With 22,000 Pascal suction and the dual flow tangle-free system, hair management is excellent. The robot also features carpet focus technology, sealing airflow around carpets to increase pickup by up to 2x, making it one of the best carpet performers in this list. The reversing side brush and edge read system clean within 5 millimeters of walls, ensuring nothing is left behind along baseboards. And with a height of just 3.8 inches, it fits under most furniture effortlessly. The base station is fully automated with hot water washing, warm air drying, and a large 2.5-liter dust bag that lasts around 4 months. It supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and comes with voice control via Alexa, Siri, Google Assistant, and the built-in Hey Na command. So those are the best robot vacuums you can buy. Each one brings something unique: more suction, better obstacle avoidance, smarter mopping, or completely hands-off maintenance. No matter which one you choose, all of these models will save you time and keep your home cleaner with almost zero effort. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which one you're leaning towards. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.